Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Vikas and let's start this video with a question. Why do we need LLM inference locally? So, when we have systems like ChatGPT, they provide their web interface or some API also. So, why do we need to run or have the requirement to run the models locally for inferencing? So there could be many multiple reasons. First of all, it's it's you are running locally, so you can do some experiment without paying any cost if you have a good hardware, or you just need some basic testing or something. Then local inferencing is good because you don't have to pay anything, and sometimes there is a reason for security also. Sometimes you don't want to uh, uh, leak your data to the online world, so you want uh, local inferencing. So we'll see in this case what's the easiest way to do inferencing in the MacBook. So since I'm using MacBook, I'll show you the easiest way to do run inferencing in a MacBook. I am using MacBook Air M4 with 16 GB RAM. So in 16 GB RAM maximum you can use I think 8 billion model, and most probably you should use a quantized version like 4-bit quantized version, so you don't run into memory issues. So let's see how it's done.
So we will start with llama.cpp. So llama.cpp is a platform which enables us to do LLM inferencing with minimal efforts in MacBook. So we'll see how to use specifically for LLMs. Sorry, for MacBook. So first step is how to download this. So install using this command. Mm, Start with brew install llama.cpp in your terminal, like open terminal command and press enter. It will start working. Now, this is first step. Now, second step is which models do you want to use? So we'll go to Hugging Face. I generally use uh, Llama Llama 8 billion model. So we'll search that Llama 8 billion model 3.8, and we'll search for a quantized version because quantized version are a little faster and it will work good with our uh, good good with our MacBook. So let's see this model. Bartskowski, Bartowski, and we'll see 4 billion model. 4 billion model. This is the 4-bit quantized model. So this is Q4, and you can download this model from here directly. This download button. Otherwise, there are some other techniques using the Hugging Face CLI. Hugging Face you can download through that command, but you can download through this also. Like if you click on this download, it will start downloading. If you click on it, it will start downloading. So once you start downloading, once it get downloaded, you will have the GGF file, this one. And now we can do inferencing, simple inferencing. I have this program, and second thing is you have to install this library also, llama cpp python. So we'll see how to do it. We again go to your terminal, install this, copy this, pip install llama cpp python, and this one. So you will do this, install this. Now come back to your code and import this from llama cpp, import llama, and then here model path. In model path, you give your the path for the downloaded model we just downloaded, right? So I have this model here downloaded. So I have given this path here directly, and then you can give the context window and the n threads and ngpu layer, and then you can do the parsing as normal. So use this response. What is the capital of France? We'll see how to do it. So if I open a terminal again here, this file name. Yeah. So we do this. So it's running now, and we'll get our response also soon. See, the output is the capital of the Paris, France is Paris. So that's how we do this in the Python program. If you want to do like a chat window kind of thing, like the we chat in the chat GPT, you can do that also, I think, in this one. I'll show you just simply how to do that. So if you think, I think if you do this one, CLI, llama CLI, you will get it. So llama CLI, and this is for like if you want to give the directly model name from Hugging Face, you can directly do this minus HF command, so it will download the Hugging Face model directly. But if we want to use locally, we can directly we can have the locally also. Just simply this one minus M and this model name. So when we do this, you see we get a chat window also. I'll show you just now. When it's loaded, we can normally do inferencing. Yeah, started. Hi, how are you? See, we started getting off. What is the capital of France? See, we are getting it. So this is the easiest way I found for inferencing in the uh, MacBook. So yeah, you can try and experiment with this easiest way. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.